This is the video to learn how to create a new layer in AutoCAD. So click on layers and layer properties. Here click on this new layer icon. Also you can use the Alt plus and click here. Give any name for your layer. Here you can make it on off. You can freeze or unfreeze. Also you can lock or unlock. Here you can change any particular color for lines. Here you can select the line type. Also you can load another type like cast line, hidden line, zigzag line. Select whatever you need here and click on OK. Lightweight you can select here size, click on OK. So this is the way you can create a new layer in AutoCAD, and once you need to delete, select it and click this delete icon. Also you can use the shortcut Alt plus D. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you.